Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Now today's celebration. International Day for Countering Hate Speech. What if we could end hate speech together? On International Day for Countering Hate Speech, we'll show you the power of words and how each of us can help stop the spread. Don't miss the inspiring steps at the end. Theme: Words Matter. Building a world of respect and tolerance. On the International Day for Countering Hate Speech, we reflect on the impact of words in shaping our world. Hate speech fosters division, violence, and fear, but by countering it, we can build a society based on respect, dialogue, and tolerance. Embracing these values helps create a unified society where differences are celebrated. Together, we can foster harmony across cultures, religions, and backgrounds, ensuring justice and equality for all. Combating hate speech is crucial for social cohesion. Unchecked, it damages individuals and erodes trust. By standing against hate speech, we promote a world where everyone can live free of discrimination, violence, and hatred. Today is a reminder to reject hate and embrace kindness, respect, and inclusion. Just a quick break. Please, if you like this, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more celebration. Subscription is free. Welcome back. The power of change. Stories of impact, empowerment, and hope. Meanwhile, in Brazil, Carla, a teacher, began incorporating lessons on tolerance and empathy into her school's curriculum after witnessing the harmful effects of hate speech among her students. I saw how quickly negative stereotypes could spread and how they could influence my students' interactions, Carla explains. By introducing discussions on empathy and conflict resolution, I noticed a profound shift in my students' attitudes. They began to understand the value of diversity and respect, and soon, they were leading initiatives to combat bullying and hate speech in their community. In India, Ahmed, a local journalist, shared his story of how he helped create an online campaign to counter hate speech targeting religious minorities. As a journalist, I've always believed in the power of words, Ahmed says. When I saw the dangerous consequences of hate speech spreading online, I knew I had to take action. I teamed up with other journalists and community leaders to create a social media campaign that highlighted stories of unity, diversity, and acceptance. The response was overwhelming. We reached thousands of people, and many began speaking out against hate. To all who are fighting against hate speech, thank you for your dedication. To the countless individuals, organizations, and activists who are working tirelessly to counter hate speech, we thank you for your unwavering dedication. Your efforts to promote understanding, educate others, and create safe spaces for all are making an immeasurable impact on society. By standing up against hate, you are contributing to a world that values compassion, respect, and inclusion. Your work is inspiring, and today, we celebrate your resilience and commitment to creating a society where everyone can thrive without fear of discrimination or violence. For those yet to engage, your voice can make a difference. If you haven't yet taken a stand against hate speech, now is the time to act. Every voice matters in the fight against discrimination, and your actions, whether it's speaking out, supporting those affected by hate, or promoting positive dialogue, can make a real difference. Together, we can build a more inclusive world, where everyone is valued, respected, and heard. Happy International Day for Countering Hate Speech. Let's use our voices for good, fostering understanding and compassion. Together, we can create a future where love and respect triumph over hate. Let's raise our glasses to toast and celebrate the unsung heroes, the countless individuals, organizations, and activists WHO are working tirelessly to counter hate speech. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 19th of June, International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. The 20th of June, World Refugee Day. Please, check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.